Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and let's make this crochet bandana. This bandana is really easy to make. You can adjust the sizes as long as you want it, as big as you want it. I'm using 4mm crochet hook, and all you have to do is you're going to make a magic ring over here. You can go ahead and do chain 6 and then make a circle. I am happy with this circle thing, so make a magic ring, and now we are going to do is chain 1, 2 and 3. After making 3 chains, you're going to make a double crochet. So 1, 2 and 3. So there are going to be total of 4 double crochet. Our chain 3 will count as your first double crochet. Chain 1, 2, 3, yarn over, and now we are going to do is 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After doing 4 double crochets, now we are going to just close the center first, and now we are going to do is chain 3 again, and chain 3 will count as your first double crochet. So 1, 2 and 3. Now you have to rotate your work to the other side and into the center over here after your last stitch. Like this was your last stitch. Now here you can see this is your last stitch. When you turn your work, so insert your hook in between and do 3 more double crochets. 1, 2 and 3, like that. And now we are going to do is chain 1, 2. After making 2 chains, you're going to jump to this chain 3 part. So yarn over. Let me adjust the camera. Okay, now yarn over, and into this chain space we're going to do again crochet 1, double crochet. So it's 2, 3, chain 1, 2, 3 and 3 double crochets into the same space. 1, 2 and 3. Now again we're going to do chains over here. 1, 2, 2 chains, and now we are going to take this space here. This is your last stitch, like that we did over here in the starting point. This is your last stitch. In between, insert your hook, and we are going to do is 1 double crochet, 2, 3 and 4. And this is what you have to do all the way around till you reach to your desired length. Again, same, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Turn your work to the other side, and in between your very first stitch, this is your very first stitch, in between your first stitch you have to do 3 more double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Again, chain 2, chain 1 and 2, and into the previous chain 2 space we are going to do 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 2 again, and now on your chain 3 space do 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets, 2, 3, chain. So now you can see we are actually increasing the spaces. There are 2 chain 2 spaces in this round, and next round you're going to get 3 chain spaces, 4 chain spaces between. Chain 3. Now over here do again 3 double crochets, chain 2, and repeat the thing we did before, like into the starting point. So this is, you have to go ahead and keep doing it again and again in every round. Chain 2, and into the chain 2 space we are going to do 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3, and then again chain 2, and in between your last stitch you're going to do 4 double crochets. So there is your last stitch. Go in center and do 4 double crochets, 2, 3, and 4. Now keep doing this same thing in each and every round. So this is what your work's gonna looks like right now. And now into the next, again we have to keep doing the same thing. Chain 3 counts as your first double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Turn your work to the other side. In between your very first stitch, do 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2, into the previous chain 2 space, do 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2 again, into your next chain 2 space, do 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2 again, and now we are back to our chain 3 point, where we are going to do 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets, 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets into your top point. So every time you're actually increasing each single box of chain 2 in every round. So this is how it gets bigger and bigger. Like in our very first round we had 2 chain spaces, then we had 3 chain spaces. So we have to keep doing it until you're happy with your desired length or size, whatever. So let's go and let me show you this piece right here. I have already made this the bigger I wanted to. So here I have did all again and again the same pattern which I have told you. So there you can see 1 space, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Each round increases every these chain 2 spaces. And now we are going to end up by doing the edging of this bandana. Now to do the edging, all you have to do is we are going to make the, you know, the excessive fan stitches or whatever you like you can make. So chain 1, 2, 3, chain 3, and you're going to turn your work. This is your very last round for the edging. Yarn over and into your very first chain space. Do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the chain 3 will count as the first, so it's 7. Now into your next chain space right here, insert your hook and do a single crochet. So this is what your work's going to look like. Now into the next, do again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these double crochets. Now into the next, do a single crochet and repeat again 6 double crochets. I did the 7 into the first one and 6 into each of the next. So keep doing 6 double crochet in chain 2 space, and in between we are going to do a single crochet. Now single crochet the last one, and now we have reached to our, you know, the pointy edge, which is the point right here. So we are going to do, after doing the single crochet in chain 2 space, we're going to do chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, six double crochets, and after making 6 double crochets we are going to make a pointy edge. So chain over here, 1, 2, 3, and now picot stitch and insert your hook to the top 2 loops and do a picot stitch right there. And again 6 of these double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Obviously I'm going to do the 6th one, and this is you have to do exactly. Now you have to repeat the right side to the left one as well, the edging. Now you have to do the edging exactly the same to the other side. 6 double crochets, then single crochet in between, like that, all the way to your left side as well. So I have done this, and at the end I have did a 7, obviously, like in the start. So this is you have to do around, and now we are going to make a you know, the string for our bandana to wrap on, and you can go ahead and do many chains as you wanted to. It's depend on what size you're making. You can go ahead and make just a single chain. You can make, or you can make chains and then you can do one slip stitch to each chain, so it will give a little bit thicker you know, the string. I am just chaining randomly right here because I'm happy with the 40 chains on each side. You can make many as you wanted to, and you can go ahead and if you wanted to, you can come back again to this whole of the chains, and in each chain you can do one slip stitch in each chain, and then when you reach to the top line you can do a single crochet. So this is the top front part, this one. If you wanted to, you can go ahead and do a single crochet, like 2 single crochet each, but I like it that way. I really don't want to make an edging at the front point, so it's totally up to you. You can leave the chains like that as I am doing, and then cut your yarn. And now we're going to do same this 40 chains on the other side of the work. So exactly where I did on that side, I'm going to add in the crochet hook, and then at the very top of this stitch attach your yarn and start doing chains. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new to my channel, and if you are new, you can go ahead and learn the basic stitches first. So in my video section you can learn the crochet basics for the beginners. Keep doing the chains as long as you wanted to. I did the 40 chains and I made it for like around 2 years of a baby. You can add, again I'm saying, you can add stitches or whatever you wanted to make it more thicker. I am happy with the chains only. I'm going to cut. You can add stones or flowers or whatever you want to do into the top of your bandana. You can make flowers and attach it to it. Now I'm going to hide all the tails. I'm going to take my tapestry needle and I'm going to hide all the tails of my work. So I was saying that you can add flowers to the top of this bandana. You can add a glossy shimmery stones or whatever you like. You can go ahead and add to the top of your bandana. Will look really cute. You can add the alphabetical beads. You can write the name of your kid, whatever you like. There are many different options to decorate your bandana. I'm going to I'm going to make a knot. I'm going to cross this again to this part right here. I am not going to to close this part over here. I'm going to take it off. Look, I think this is okay to just make a knot at the back. The struggle is real for this, you know. I'm going to just make a knot at the back side. I'm not making it too tight. You can add some, you know, hangings or something to the front for the baby. If you're making for a baby, you can do that as well. Some hangings, some tassels or whatever. Looks really cute. Looks, you know, it will give a really Arabic or vibe, something like you. And I cannot even explain it right now in words. So I am keep doing it. I don't know why did I even make such a long video of doing a hiding tails. It's just because I'm giving a voice over to my Urdu version for my English subscribers, those who understand English, not Urdu. So thank you so much for everyone for watching this video. If you have any questions or any requests, you can comment me on the comment box down below. So thank you so much, everyone. Take care. Thank you for supporting my YouTube channel, and thank you for liking my art. Take care. Do follow me on my Instagram, and take care, and bye bye. Hope you have liked today's video tutorial, and I must finish it now, you know. So this is it. My bandana is done and looks really pretty. I'm just flattening it out. I don't know, I've already said bye, but I am still over here, you know. My video is still recording. So take care, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Oh no, not bye. Let me I was actually showing the rhinestones I have. So you can put the rhinestones with the fabric glue on each of these 3 double crochet sets. You can put this to the front line if you wanted to, all the way to the front part. So this will give a really nice look, you know, adding little tiny of these to the end, to the front part of all your work. So if you wanted to, you can go ahead and do this as well. You can put the, you know, the bigger rhinestones or the smaller rhinestones. This looks really nice. So finally I'm leaving guys. Take care. Bye bye. Finally I'm leaving. Bye.